Right, another 23 plate Transit Custom today with a few bits and pieces on. You see up here we've got a blue status LED for our alarm immobiliser with driver recognition. So if the vehicle is attempted to be moved with a stolen or cloned key, it won't start unless the driver's got his valid driver ID tag with him, and the horn will blast, the siren will sound, etc. Also fitted a thinkware forward facing dash cam there with parking mode, GPS, time and date stamps, speed and all that kind of stuff. That's all good. We've also put locks on this van, additional locks. Got a wet lock there on the driver's door, we all know what those are for. We've also added sort of deadlocks down the bottom there, which the guy asked us for. So there you go, that's how your deadlock works. Shoes into there, nice and clean and tidy. We go round to the back of the van. We've also put a high level hook lock, actually we've used on the back, all on the same key, so the driver's not going to have lots of different keys with him, but this one's slightly different. So there you go, you see the difference between a hook lock and a deadlock. It does what it says on the tin, hooks in instead of a shoot bolt, it hooks into place, and that goes into the aperture here on the door, nice and tidy. And then we've lined it all out in the back as well, a bit of dry lining going on. And then on the side loading door here, you see we've got another lock. You can see in there, difficult to see, but that's where the lock case goes. There we go on here. This one's a deadlock at the top here, as requested. Okay. And also we've got another one down there, down the bottom. So it's pretty secure, this one. Locks, alarm, immobiliser, tracker, push notifications on your phone if the alarm goes off, dash cam with parking mode, all the clever little features. Keep another Transit Custom as secure as we possibly can, because they're still quite a target. And there we go, happy days. Any info, give us a call. Phone number is 0330 010 0506. That's Autosparx.